shrinkage, color and everything guarantee on this fabric, because this is 150% original silk fabric. Roman silk fabric is there, and it Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So as per our tradition, DK Textile has launched one more time a very beautiful variety. Look at this beautiful article, look at the design. All these variety are a unique concept in each design, and there is bead work, moti work, embroidery design, khadi crafted design, sequence work, Lucknowi work. All kind of designs are available on this kind of three pieces. So what are these varieties? So these are beautiful three-piece variety in Roman silk fabric. Yeah, my friend, you have heard it right. This is three-piece variety. Look at this. This is original moti bead work. Look at the beautiful design in flower, and inside that you will also get this kind of lining in Roman fabric. And this is beautiful fabric, because in this fabric you will get shrinkage, color and everything guarantee on this fabric, because this is 150% original silk fabric. Roman silk fabric is there, and it is available in full sleeve. Look at the sleeve, it is original length sleeve. And in the bottom you will get this kind of pant. Look at this beautiful pant, and this is original 44 length kurti with this kind of beautiful farma pant. Look at the beautiful farma of this pant. And the dupatta is also 2.5 meter original length dupatta. If you have shop or boutique if you have shop or boutique, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because DK Textile launch every day new variety. So in 365 days you will get 365 new variety. If you want to see the collection of different variety, then our salesman number is given on the screen. You can connect with them. And persons who are watching in Telugu, so my Telugu customer, our Telugu channel has launched, so go and subscribe our Telugu channel also, and their Telugu salesman number is given, so you can coordinate with him in Telugu language, so it will be more comfortable for you. And look at the beautiful design. I will show you one more piece. And about the rate, for rate be in our video, so you will get the rate detail also. Look at this, one more beautiful neck design, and the design is not in the neck only, and you will get small this kind of flower pattern in the whole kurti. And this is original 44 length kurti. Look at the beautiful finishing, look at the beautiful stitching design. There you will not get a single complaint on this kind of variety, because this is whole guaranteed variety. And dupatta is only selling in market in more than 200 rupees, but DK Textile will give you this kind of three-piece combo at what rate? At only 750 rupees. Yeah, my friend, this is bumper price. So you can purchase this kind of beautiful kurtis in M to XXL combo. Minimum order is 10,000 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right. Look at this, one more beautiful design in bigger neck, and look at this. In this you will get bead work, moti work, and also in this kind of round cylindrical golden color design, beautiful article. So if you want to purchase this kind of article, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we give this kind of original Farma things in very cheaper price, only 750 rupees. These all are party wear and regular wear varieties. And look at this beautiful 2.5 meter dupatta. So if you want to purchase, then you can visit Surat also. Our shop is located in Surat at only 1.5 kilometer distance from the Surat railway station. So DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we have range starting from rupees 90 only, and this is 750 rupees variety. More than 350 variety plus collections are available on DK Textile. So join with us. And for the customer who are watching from their home and they don't want to visit us, then COD facility is available, so you can order this kind of many more variety from home also. So you can start your business, or you are doing your business, then sell this variety, because this kind of variety if you put in your counter, then customer will easily get on this range. Look at the beautiful design on the bottom of the pant and this dupatta. So one by one I will tell you the beautiful thing about all the design. Look at this. First, this is in the V-neck design, beautiful work with this kind of golden thread. This is beautiful elephant design in, this is called tie patti design. So these kind of designs are more trending, because these are more simple and sober variety. This is the third one which I have already shown in the video, like this kind of beautiful work in the bead and this kind of moti. This is another v-neck moti work. In this you will get cut v work with around overall u shape, but inside you will get v-neck also. And this is the major v-neck look like this in the beautiful stone work, mirror work. All the work are combined in this. You will get some beads, some stone, and some mirror also, and also some beautiful embroideries in multicolor thread. And look at this another design. So if you also want to purchase this kind of variety, then connect with us, connect with DK Textile. Our number and all the details are given on the screen. You can visit Surat also, because DK Textile will be the best place, one place for you for this kind of beautiful variety. Minimum order is 10,000, so don't call us for single pieces, because we deal in only bulk. You can see in my behind there are lots of variety. So if you want to sell beautiful varieties, so customer will easily attract on you and you will get mouth publicity by customer, then connect with DK Textile.